What's up, everybody? Haven't made a video in probably around 6 months, so I'll show you what I got going on. There's the rabbit. It's a lot bigger. It's lazy. My pigeon coop has been transformed. I put a wall going down the middle, and I just have some chickens now. I just took this whole little wall off so they can come in and out. But here's their roost, it's just a basic thing. So, the other half of the cage, here it is, my newest addition. He's hungry. Oh, now he's on the ground. This is going to be hard. I just barely fed the damn thing. There he is, young kestrel. Sorry. She has the elk perch in the back. This here so she could sit. Water on the bottom. So yeah. Come on, girl. Hold on. She's so hungry. That's what I got going on in here. And I'll show you guys my chickens and whatnot. I can't believe how much bigger that rabbit is. I went to Idaho to work on a ranch over the summer and it quadrupled in size. So I have a Spanish black turkey, a silky hen, silky rooster, golden sex link, a Rhode Island red, and a Diucle laying there on the ground. And as you can see, I live in the dead center of a neighborhood. So anybody that says you can't raise chickens and stuff in the city is wrong. I'm doing it right here. I've had these since they were day old. So, I feed them. I just slaughtered 14 broiler chickens that I had back here as well. So I'm feeding them chicken grower. These are my egg layers, but Falcon got out. Look at that. Good thing he's trained well. He came right to me. Jeez, I'm stupid. I didn't even lock the door. So, here's the Falcon's carrier cage. Just wrapped it up with some carpet. But yeah, so this is what I feed my egg layers for now. It's like a mash, chicken mash. So here they come. I'll get on it. The Rhode Island red's noisy. Noisy. So yeah, I feed them that every other day. 2 scoops. 3/4 cup. And they eat grass. Other than that, and in here in these 3 cages, it's just barely starting to come back to life because I've been feeding them on it. But it's the alfalfa. And I planted this one yesterday. So as you can see, it's just still dirt. So that's what I got going on here. They eat the alfalfa, the grass. And then the Falcon, I have this pigeon band. I just clamp it up above its Jessies and have him a perch there. So here's the long leash that I've been training it on. It goes all the way to under the tree. So it's a pretty cool falcon. I got it in Idaho. There's Copenhagen, you guys might remember him. That's the only pigeon stuck around. Got rid of all the other ones. He's more tame than these chickens though, he'll fight you. Come on, dude. Whatever. So I'm gonna take you downstairs and show you what I got feeding. So down here in my room, might be a little messy. A little bit. I'm breeding. These 4 females are pregnant. And the buck is gone. Not sure where he is. I saw him in here yesterday, but I haven't seen him. I'm gonna try to catch him if I can see him. There's my wall. Furs, ropes, hats, American flag, of course. So that's pretty much what I got going on. Earlier today, let me go back outside. Later on today, I'm going to get 2 sets. Here they are feeding. I'm gonna get 2 sets of 1.3 African softers. That's 1 male, 3 female, 1.3. So 2 males and 6 females, 2 sets. Oh, sorry, half cup. 2 half cups every other day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll make an update video. Here's Copenhagen. I'll show you guys this bird. Don't fly, dude. Come here, dude. Hey. He's a little bastard. But I'll make some training videos on when I'm training the falcon and whatnot. So, I've never bred African soft furs. If you guys know a lot about them, and let me know. Like, I know with the mice, you can't leave pregnant females together. And I was watching